Hello friends, welcome back once again. Friends, today in this video, I want to share with you a Google AdSense new update. As you can see on the top of this email, important update about restricted data processing. And in the description, dear partner, you are receiving this email because you are listed as an admin or legal manager of an AdSense account. New data protection law which apply to the collection and processing of personal information will be coming into effect in California, Colorado and some of other countries. This update launched in 2023. As you can see here, I have a mention starting January 1st, 2023. If you belong to California, Colorado and some of other countries, they have a mention in this email. It will affect to your data. And now Google can restrict this countries data processing, and only original owner can see that data, not other anyone. So this is a new updates of AdSense for this country users, not for other country. Hope you like this video. If you like, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon with all notifications for the upcoming latest updates. Thanks for watching.